Hey everybody, this is Julie. I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom option that's under your in your MyNova tab, and this will allow you to set up your own Zoom meetings with classmates, and you can do this in any class, not just our class, but this is for the option whether you want to do feedback in this way or do feedback through the discussion board this week. So when you log into MyNova, you'll see that I have more tiles than you do here, but that's okay. You just click on your Zoom tile, and then whoever is going to create the recording, once you click on it, it looks like it's taken a second here. Hang on. Okay, there we go. You can start a meeting. So once you click on starting a meeting, you can go ahead and open Zoom, and you'll notice that within once you open it, of course, and I'm going to move the actual meeting over for a second, you can take this invitation, and now it's copied and you can email it to your classmates that are going to be joining you in the session. And then when you get into the session, I'm going to join with computer audio. And then when you're in the session, just click record. My hope is that you guys will use the webcam and the mic for sure, because I think that will make the meeting enjoyable. It will go quickly and it'll be most effective. So if you're going to use this option, that's what I want you to do. Click record. When you're done with everything, I'm actually going to now end the meeting, and it says end meeting for all. You should be able to go to your recordings and you should be able to see these links. This is what whoever is the team lead, and whoever chooses to do that, I may give you an extra credit point because A, you set up the meeting, and B, you're going to be the one emailing me on Sunday with this little recording. So if you want to do this and get a tiny bit of extra credit, take the lead in it, set it up, and do a Zoom meeting instead of a discussion board. This just is meant to give you some variety. You're not required to do it, but I would encourage you to try it out and let me know how it goes. Take care.